Hello students, today we have seen class 7th English chapter number 3.3 News Analysis all questions and answer. News Analysis A. Closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. Bengaluru. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test to prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by the invigilators. First, what is the meaning of issue, candidates, and invigilators? Answer. First, issue, publish. Second, candidates, participants. Third, invigilators, teachers guarding in the exam. Second, who is conducting the test? Answer is Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru. Third, discuss the following in groups of 4 or 5. A. Why is closed footwear, shoes, socks not allowed in the examination hall? Answer. To stop candidates from bringing cheats in the examination hall. B. Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall? Answer. To stop candidates from communicating with outsiders. C. What other measures can be taken to prevent copy? Answer. Installing CCTV cameras, strict supervision, and searching clothes and compass boxes, etc. 4. Why is this news published in newspaper? Answer. To spread awareness and warn candidates. B. Ritika takes a break from acting. Mumbai, September 9. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid stars in Bollywood, is all set to break the hearts of her fans. In an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that she will not sign any more films after completing the big budget movie and next month. She refused to give any reasons for her decision. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. First, guess the meaning of most highly paid, reveal, sign films. Answer. First, most highly paid, the actors who gets the highest amount for acting in every film. Second, reveal, made something known to somebody. Third, sign films, sign a legal agreement with the producer for acting in the film. Second, what words are used for the following in the news item? A. Film industry, Bollywood. B. Something on which a lot of money is spent. Answer is big budget movie. Third, guess why Ant is a big budget movie. Answer. Ant is a big budget movie because the famous actress Ritika, who has starred in it, is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood. Expenses of technology from foreign countries and attractive fabulous locations must have cost the producer heavily. 4. Can you think of other reasons for Ritika's decision? Answer. She must be tired of acting for a long time. She might be choosing some different career or business. She must have tough of retiring when she was at the top. She might be getting married. Fifth, what will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Answer. Ritika will probably be thrilled with it as now she will be the focus of people's interest for some time. It may help in the publicity of Ant too. C. Most dangerous time in history, London. The famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic diseases. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies amid the stars, but right now we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. First, guess the meaning of mankind. Answer: mankind, all the humans or the human race. Second, which words or phrases in the news refer to the earth? Answer: world and planet are the words used for the earth in the news. Third, which of the following problems do you believe is the most serious? A. Climate change. B. Overpopulation. C. Epidemic diseases. Answer is A. Climate change. 4. Discuss the following statements with the help of your teacher. A. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. B. We will have built colonies amid the stars. C. Right now we have only one planet. Answer: student, do it by yourself. Fifth, Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in The Guardian. Why is it given as news in other papers? Answer: it is given in the news to make people aware to the dangerous situations and make them understand the impending calamities. The news will inspire the scientists to find remedies to protect the earth. Tau, 2 minutes of oral work. Tell as many words as possible related to the following words: news, TV, radio, mobile. Answer: news, front page news, sport news, piece of news, news agency, reporter, news dealer, news reader. TV, programs, cartoons, channels, serials, live programs, antenna, remote, relay anchors. Radio, news, songs, broadcast, radio station, national radio, local radio, radio signal, interview. Mobile, cellular phone, cell phone, network, mobile number, charger, calls, mobile company, smartphone. Activity. First, go through a few specimens of any major newspaper. You will see that each page usually carries only a certain type of news. The types are decided according to region, city, state, nation, world, etc., and also according to the nature of the news: political, cultural, science related, financial, sports related, etc. Read all the news items given on pages 70 to 72 and decide the type of which each belongs. Answer: first, city news, educational related to rising copying cases. Second, city news, cultural relating to film industry. Third, world news, science environment relating to climate change and the challenges faced by the world. 4. Local news, medicine relating to a quack cheating gullible people. Second, what other items do you find in a newspaper besides news? Answer: articles, advertisement, stories, survey, reviews of books, plays, films, people's grievances, debates, court cases, etc. D. Quick cure for all alignment. Staff reporter Kauthe. Hundreds of people flock every hour to Relevadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. They wait in long winding queues in the hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sorts of diseases. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herb in the Himalayas. Unwilling to give the exact name and source of the herbs, he only says that it was revealed to him. He offers it at rupees 25 a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him. Some of his followers claim that they have seen his him curing thousands of people with his powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. First, guess the meaning of flock and followers. Answer: flock, together in large number. Followers, person who support and admire particular person, supporters. Second, why is there a question mark in the heading? Answer: because the reporter himself is doubtful about the contents of the news. He has given the news but left it to the people to decide whether to believe it or not, so there is a question mark in the heading. Third, which part of the news is reliable? Which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? Answer: the last four lines of the news item are reliable. The part where Miri Baba and his followers speak is not reliable. We learn that from the words special and bless that are put in quotation marks and by the use of words like claim. Also, the fact that Mary Baba is not willing to give the exact name and source of the herb is suspicious. 4. Will Mary Baba and his followers like the news? Answer: they will not like the news because the news could raise questions and doubts among the people. They might protest and oppose this news. 5. What should you do when you fall ill? Answer: if I fall ill, I must go to my family doctor and take the medicines he prescribes. I should obey whatever he says. 6. Imagine how this news item help people understand the truth that Mary Baba's powder cannot cure diseases. Write the story about it in short in your mother tongue. आन्सर: काही सुरक्षित तरुणांनी मेरी बाबाच्या मठापाशी जमलेल्या सर्व रुग्णांना जमा केले. मेरी बाबाला मठाबाहेर आणले आणि ती पावडर म्हणजे औषध नसून साधे बाजरीचे पीठ आहे हे सर्वांसमक्ष मेरी बाबाला कबूल करायला लावले. मेरी बाबाने आपण पैसे कमवण्यासाठी लोकांना फसवले हे कबूल केले. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. Write your own impressions about the news item given in A, B, C, and D in the table below. News item A: good news or bad news? Good. Reliable, interesting. Others: list down do's and don'ts for the candidates. B. Bad, unreliable, boring, no authenticity, might be based on rumors. Bad, reliable, interesting, creates an awareness about environmental problems. D. Bad, unreliable, boring, highlights the need to adopt a more scientific attitude. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.